With the defined views command, you can save one or more viewpoints for any of the graphic views and then return to this defined viewpoint whenever you need to. So to do this, on the support tab, you're going to go to defined views. You're going to see a panel at the bottom below your plan view and your 3D view or your other views that may be displayed, and you can create a defined view. So you can see that I've already got some created, but all you do is click on, you set the layer states that you want to view using your view filter manager, set what views, what layers you want turned on, the orientation, and basically it's going to create a snapshot. So when I click create, it's going to create a view for, in this case, the plan view. You can also do the same in the 3D view. When a dialog box comes up, you can say, maybe overall. I'll come in here and type in overall site and click OK, and that's going to create that view. Now I can go back to any of these views simply by just coming in and clicking on that view. So you can see it sets the layer states, turns layers on, sets the orientation. If I go to the scan view, you can see here, or maybe even the design view, and it's going to change what's there. So I can quickly get back to, you can call it a state, a view state, basically, whether it's layers, colors, or layers, or location within my project. If I switch over to the 3D scan view, you can see that I've got different views as well where I can switch between those orientations.